Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enhance photo quality in Canva. So head over to your canva.com and log into your account. Then open a new design by clicking the create. Choose any type that you want, presentation, a poster, or even a blank canvas. For this tutorial, let's use presentation. So once you're inside the editor, go ahead and upload your low quality photo. So this is the low quality image that I've chosen. As you can see here, it is very blurry. Now to enhance the photo, you'll need to use Canva's built-in photo upscaling tools. Just click on apps on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type something like image upscaler. You will then see different options appear. For example, we have a Canva Pro option here, a video upscaler, photo upscaler, and many more. So unfortunately, the main image upscaler requires Canva Pro. But if you don't have Pro, you can pick any free alternatives like the photo upscaler, the other photo upscaler, and many more below. For this tutorial, let's choose our app, and I want to use this one. Let's go ahead and click open. It will now ask you to upload the file that you want to enhance. So go ahead and upload the file. Choose your upscaler solution from 2 or 4. Let's click on 4. Then click Enhance Image. Wait a few seconds for Canva to process the image. Once Canva has finished processing the image, let's go ahead and set both photos to each other so we can make a comparison on their quality. You can now compare the original and the enhanced version side by side. You'll notice that the blur is reduced, details are clearer, and the overall sharpness is much better. This is one of the best ways to quickly upgrade low-quality images without manually editing anything. Additionally, if you want to enhance another image, just click Start Over and upload another file. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.